So let me introduce myself first. So this is Pragya, and I have started a weight loss series from today. And today my topic is dieting versus lifestyle change. So here I am going to describe what is the difference between dieting and our lifestyle change for a holistic weight loss. So for a holistic weight loss, so most people go for dieting because through dieting they always get result in short time. So what is dieting? I'm going to tell you. So dieting is most probably a restricted diet. So where we are cutting calories from our food, so we are not getting all the vitamins, all the minerals when we are following dieting for our fitness. But you know what is happening in lifestyle change? In lifestyle change, we are following smart exercising, we are following restful sleep, we are following stress management, we are following healthy food, and the most important thing is we should have some belief in our power of mind. So let me tell you what is power of mind when we are following weight loss. So the power of mind is if you want to be healthy, so first we need to plant that seed in our mind that I want to be healthy, and I need to increase my belief system for my fitness. So if you can achieve your goal with your lifestyle change and your power of mind. So and after that, under lifestyle change, you need daily physical exercise of 30 plus minute daily, and don't do it as a punishment. Do it to achieve your goal of fitness. And even we can include meditation. So meditation is the most powerful thing. So with our lifestyle change, with our workout, if we will do meditation, then it will make our life more meaningful, and even it makes our life stress free. And if you have any, our nowadays we are more dependent on sedentary kind of job with lots of mental work rather than physical work. We are having emotional stress, we are having pressure of both finance and work, and stress is the most main reason of our weight gain because it affects the cortisol hormone of our body. And cortisol hormone is the it controls weight of our body. So and our daily life, we are eating pesticide based food, we are inhaling impure air, we are drinking impure water, and even we are using chemical based cosmetics, and the list is not end here. And we are not even staying in Himalaya, so we are not getting organic foods. So and even our soil doesn't contain necessary minerals. We totally depend on seasonal food, refrigerate it for long time to store, and we don't know how many times we reheat our food. For mass production, we are using chemicals during cultivation, and we are more inclined toward modern lifestyle and depend on junk food and outside food. And the most crucial part is we are using aluminum utensils, Teflon utensils, which is harmful for our health. We know it is harmful, but still we are using these things in our cooking. So these things are the main reason of various diseases and weight gain in our daily lifestyle. And for fitness, when the point is fitness, we always chose fat diet, and we chose dieting, and even we chose dangerous exercise. And for disease prevention, we don't need to go for this fat dieting and exercise. we need to increase our immunity system. We had so many good things in our nature which is good for our body and our mind, and our body is not designed to fall sick, to be unfit. We have some rules to follow. We have to follow right eating habits. We have to follow right sleeping habits. We have to follow good physical activities in regular basis. And when we are breaking the rules of nature, then only we are getting arthritis, heart disease, obesity, weight gain, and even cancer. And these restrictive diets we don't need when you are going for fitness, when we are going for weight loss. We only need this when we are having some medical complications. And usually restrictive diets includes only protein, only carbohydrate, and due to this, what will happen? Our body will it will be nutrition deficient, and but more will happen. Rapid weight loss will happen. More frustration. People will get more frustration, more depression, and our aging will be more faster. And we will regain all our weight when we will start our normal food after after losing our weight by following restrictive diet. So I'm going to tell you what are the major difference of dieting and our lifestyle change. So basically, what is happening in dieting? So in dieting, we always measure the amount of calorie we eat and we burn. But in our lifestyle change, we always follow some natural healthy rules to achieve our goal of fitness. And usually in dieting, we are losing weight only by unseeing the other criteria. And in lifestyle change, we are avoiding overweight with continuous healthy effort to avoid disease in future. And the last one is in dieting, we are following external and temporary changes of our eating technique. But in lifestyle change, we are following internal and permanent changes in relationship with food, our eating habit, and our physical activity. So these obesity and weight gain is the major problem of mothers. I'm going to share you my story. After having baby, I gained lots of weight. I had joint pain. I had even thyroid in borderline, and doctor advised me for losing weight is the only solution for that. And that time I chose all this lifestyle change criteria. I went for healthy eating habit. I went for physical activity, and and I lost 10 kgs in 3 months. And I not only I lost my weight, I feel so energetic and fit now after losing weight. And my mission is to help 1,000 mothers who are facing same issues like me. So if you are facing any problems like this, if you are confused between this dieting and lifestyle change, then you can always contact with me as well. So I will definitely help you out to achieve your goal. So with this, I'm done with my first topic of weight loss series. And stay tuned for more topic in future, because I will share with you more topics under this weight loss series. So with this, I am done. Thank you.